welcome to another outing with myself, the Bassinator. This morning I will be fishing at Homestead Dam here in Benoni off the Pisces Predator. Just felt like getting out. It's 4:30 in the morning. Gonna get on the water at about 5, kick around and fish till about 10 and see what we can get. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Let's see how the day goes. Let's get there the fast way. I want to try and do a bit of a teleporting. Let's see if it works. Teleport me in the car because all my gear's in the car. Here we go. Oh, that was cool. Now I'm here. A bit dark, but I'll see you on the water and we'll take it from there and see if we can get any fish for you guys this morning. Hopefully you can see me in this dark. Peace. What's up, guys? So I'm on the water right now. It was a bit too dark to start recording. I've caught one little fish on crank so far, and no other bites. So yeah, Victor, which is down there, he also hasn't had any bites yet. But it's a nice warm morning. It's a little bit overcast, which is perfect. We'll start throwing the frog around a bit. But yeah, I'm sure we'll pick up some fish and give you guys a nice little video. Still waiting on Raymond to get here, Castaholic, and bring me that secret tackle box. Sweet. See you in a bit. Keep watching.
Just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now, take my hand, stop, put band the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing, boy, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm a crazy, don't mind me. Say go, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with your body. With your body. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of. Hey, the shape of. The shape of you. The shape of.
Nice little bass on the froggy.
I'm in love with your body. With your body. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of. Hey, the shape of.
Guys, so I finished off at Homestead Dam. It was a bit tough. Got like 3 fish I think in total, and 1 on a topwater frog. That was awesome, and I think I got it on footage, so it was an awesome blow up. But yeah, now I'm coming out to Raymond, and yeah, he's giving me this month's secret tackle box, so I'm gonna get that from him now. I'm super excited. What's up?
What's up, gentlemen? How's it going, and ladies?
Thank you. Can't wait for this STB challenge coming soon, and unboxing. So yeah, I'm excited. First one of many, and yeah, let's see how it goes, eh?
At the end of the day, welcome to the crew, man.
Awesome.
STB crew it is. We're glad to have you on board.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna
Enjoy.
be fun. It's gonna be fun. How did your day at Homestead go?
Not bad. Tight bit of fishing on the one bank where the public kind of fish. But as you go up on the other side near the river, near the highway side, there was at least a couple of bites. Hooked into a giant bobble. I know that doesn't count. It's a fish. Doesn't count. You'll check that. Check out. I'm sure Nuno will drop a link in my video as well. You can have a look at that. Some of the catches today. But it was a tough day on the water, and there's too many boats.
Yeah, they're having like a whole row competition, as you guys can see, all the way down there. There's tons of them. But yeah, it was a tough day at Homestead, like it always is. Homestead's never forgiving. But yeah, I'll put a link on of his let me do that over. I'll put a link below of his channel, his YouTube channel, and you can see the bobble that hit him. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your mates. And keep an eye out for the next video where I'm gonna be doing this, baby. So it's gonna be fun. Peace. Cheers.